Number 1. According to the periodic table, which of these elements will form an ion with a -2 charge? Sulfur, magnesium, fluorine, or rubidium? You'll want to look at your periodic table for this one. So I went ahead and circled the 4 that we have for our choices, so it makes more sense to answer the question. Each of these elements on the periodic table are neutral, which means they have no charge. We're trying to figure out which one of these would actually become a -2 charge, and the way they do that is that all the elements on this side of the periodic table are trying to be like one family, which is column 18, known as the noble gases. So we're going to use that to help aid us. I'm going to start here on the left-hand side. We'll work our way to the right. So I'm going to look at rubidium first. Its little number up here, atomic number is 37. I'm going to look for the noble gases closest to 37, which would be these two, 36 and 54. Out of these two, 36 is much closer than 37. And if you notice, it's one place away. So I'll go ahead and put a 1 here. Now, since we're trying to make 37 protons, 37 electrons match 36 electrons instead, I have to lose 1 electron, which means I become a +1 charge on that one. So rubidium can't be the answer. So we'll cross that one out. Now, Mg, magnesium, has the atomic number of 12. If I go back to the noble gas family, these two are the two closest to it, which would be number 10 and 18. Out of these two, number 10, neon, is much closer. Again, we have to lose 2 electrons in order for that to happen. That gives me a +2 charge, not a -2. So it can't be magnesium, so we're going to take that one away. So that leaves us 2 more choices. If I look at fluorine, this one's nice and easy. 10 is the closest to number 9, which means it's only one place away. And I have to gain an electron to be like number 10. That's a -1. Again, we want -2, so that eliminates our fluorine. One choice left must be sulfur, but we always check to make sure. This has 16. Notice the 2 closest noble gases, 18 is much closer than 10. That is 2 places away, and you do have to gain 2 negative electrons in order to be like number 18, which gives you that -2 charge. So the answer for this one would be sulfur, which on your paper would be choice F. As the viscosity of a liquid increases, to answer this question best, this is the key word you need to know, viscosity. Viscosity defined is the resistance to flow. So basically we're looking at how thick something is. Because this says the liquid has it increasing, that means we're making it thicker. It's getting more resistant to flowing. So our choices have to be something to where it's showing some kind of resistance to flow. And if you look at all your choices, there really is only one choice that would be the best choice, and that would be choice G. It pours more slowly.